week's stories. You can go check them out on our social media pages. That's Star FM, Instagram, YouTube, for the longer videos. Because now on Facebook, what I've noticed is a clip. So, but if you want to watch everything and catch that up on our YouTube channel. So right, trending is a post on X of a woman asking for advice. She posted, "I married the love of my life, and I thought this was my big break. After being moved from relative to relative as I was orphaned at a young age. I suffered several miscarriages after my friends and I tafamba kumaporofita, and every time Amwene wangu was said to be the cause. Now Amwene wangu told me in my face that she hates me and she has been causing me all the problems in my marriage, and she won't rest until mwana wabo andiramba. I don't have anyone that I can rely on kuhama. Should I tell Habi? Should not tell vari kundiroya. Hey. And our source is at Liz. Good morning, Lewe.
Morning, how are you?
How do you go and tell your husband, like, listen, babe, mamando varikuti. She's the reason behind all these miscarriages.
Unoziva mafights edutichikura or even in my game rererataiti, this is your mom's, this is my mom's, utaka ukambura mafu zvairovesa kungotuka maive munhu, and then you come with the whole allegation ekuti I'm thinking maybe astombori munhu anobelieve in the spiritual things, anditi ungouya ungotanga kungoti mama vakanditi vakaramba vova waita sei.
Yeah, because it's going to take his mom's side.
Obviously.
In as much as this is not an allegation per se, because she told her face to face. This is what's happening. What? Even Pakadashamwa witness, do you think your husband is going to believe you and your friend over his mom?
This is a difficult one. I'm sure it was difficult, but profita avangoti is so long ndichibatsirikika, and now she comes, so now there's if it's true, because vanogononge paine futi psychological warfare, vanogononge vasiri, you understand?
It's crazy, man.
Iwo kungonotaura wega kune munhu wako kuti mama basically kuti mama vanoroya.
And now, there's also that fear that she carries, Tongoiti in quotes, childhood trauma, where she was orphaned at a very young age, and then she was moved from relative to relative just until she was, all grown. And then now she quotes this marriage as her big break, like one of those, I finally found someone I love, and we're so in love, and now we're married. So for her, it was one of those, this is it. And now you get there, and your Amwene turns out to be something else. But how do you even tell him?
Unotangira pakuti kuti and azviperere futi paku samudza uchatanga kuacta nekuita certain reservations towards his mom. Achatanga kuquestiona kuti iwo ndiwo usingade mai vangu ka, because you can't say it.
Right, so this is our trending story for this morning. A post on X of a woman asking for advice. She posted, "I married the love of my life and I thought this was my big break. After being moved from relative to relative as I was orphaned at a young age, I suffered several miscarriages after my friends and I tafamba kumaporofita, and every time Amwene wangu was said to be the cause. Now Amwene wangu told me in my face that she hates me and she's been causing me all the problems in my marriage, and she won't rest until mwana wabo andiramba. I don't have anyone that I can rely on kuhama. Should I tell Habi? Should not tell vari kundiroya. And our source is at Liz. So I'd love to hear from you. What's your take on this? What do you think she should do? Do you think it's even as something someone can start and be like, listen, babe, Mamako is the reason behind all these problems that we're having in this marriage. So please, if you're sending me an audio, please make sure your audio is just under 30 seconds. But send your messages to 0772162 This one says, if Makoti has any proof of this, she needs to tell her man, because these are battles you win together. Not telling Habi is giving Amwene what she wants, disunity. Thank you so much. We are living in tech age. She must record the witch. Oh, okay. Witch killer. Is this okay? Then this one says, at each time she's in a space, she must record the conversations now, so there is proper info to that regard.
You know,
but kuti muroya ngarekidzozokorodza because she hates it to the core.
kusvika akudza, it means
In your face.
vambotrya zvakawanda wanda
And I
ukaona kuti
feel like,
hazvisi kushanda and you're
okay,
not
if
noticing.
it's true, good, this is what she really does. What if kana vakavhara mwana wavo? You know, even if you were to tell him, you just be like, listen.
Even with the recording, wakuita AI moms yangu manje. Aiwe, wakutovaitira AI.
Oh my, this is yo 077216265. I'd love to hear from you. You can send your messages. If you're going to send me an audio, please make sure that your audio is just under 30 seconds. Also join in on the conversation on our Facebook page. That's Star FM.
Star FM continues to shine. The latest Zimbabwe All Media and Product Survey shows that we are once again the country's leading urban radio station, and with a 10% increase in audience. Thank you for your support. Star FM, leading the pack and sounding good all the time.